Good morning, class. This is the second class of index number. The first class is basically talk about the theoretical portion of index number. Today I will start with the simple aggregate method. I think you have seen in the board, it is quite clear in the board that simple aggregate method. I will definitely discuss the formula of simple aggregate method where I0n is equal to summation of Pn by summation of P0 into 100. This is the simple aggregate method where you need to find out. Where Pn, you know that I have already discussed the price of the given period, and P0 is the price in the base period, which has to be multiplied by 100. You will get the simple aggregate method. Achha, come to my first sum, which is basically talks about the simple aggregate method. From the given data, calculate the index number of the price for the year 1981 to 83 with reference to 1980 as the base year using simple aggregate method. Means we have to use the base year as 1980. On that basis, we have to consider the price index number, which is simple aggregate method of 1981, 82, 83 is given, and items like rice, wheat, pulses, its figures are also given. So how you will compute? Okay. So first, solution to problem 1. Okay. Calculation of index number. So calculation of index number. Items has been provided. P0 is the base year, P1, P2 and P3. 83 is given, so P3. Items are obviously rice, wheat, pulse. Price is 56.4. Price base year price means 80's price. Next is 48.2. Next is 121.3. 81's price 58.7, 50.3 and 124.6. And P2 price means 82's price 57.2, 51.7 and 130.3. And 83's price 60.4, 53.3. The last one is 133.5, right? You do the total. You can easily calculate, right? 4, 6, 9. It is 9, 8, 7. 4, 5, 6, 15, 1, 5, 15, 2, 225.9. Next one is 16, 8 power 13, 233.6, this is 239.2, and last one 247.2. Right? Now you have to calculate the simple aggregate method. Okay, price. Therefore I01 I01 means on the basis of 1981 years to 1980. How? Obviously the formula P1 by P0 into 100, 233.6 by 225.9 into 100, it will become 103.4. Similarly, we have to do for I2 239.25 to 25.9 into 100 is 105.9. And same case for I3. Means I am considering the base year same, but it changes with the current year. And suppose I am taking 1981, then price index number will be 203.4. If I take 1982, then price index number will be 105.9. If I take price index number as 1983 with 1980, then price index number it becomes 109.4. So these are the answers. These are the answers, right? These are the answers. You need to follow it while doing this method. Okay. Now coming to the next sum. From the following data, construct an index of 2008, taking 2000 as the base year using simple aggregate method. 2000 as the base year and 2008 as the current year, you have to consider the price index number, the same sum. Okay. Okay. So, I am rubbing this one. This is sum number 2. Construction of price index number, obviously. P0 is given. P1 you have to calculate. That is particulars you can write. PTCLs. Price of rice per kg. Price of rice per kg, amount is given 22, 34.5. And price of it per dozen, $31 and 45.5. You make the total, it becomes 53, and it becomes 80. So therefore I01 is equal to summation of Pn by summation of P0 into 100, 53 by 80 to 100. This is, we are considering price per kg. So 150.94. If I consider price per kg. But suppose if I consider price per kg as quintal, suppose this is another sum, although I am trying to solve it here. Instead of taking, suppose I am doing it, instead of taking price of rice per kg. If we take price of rice per quintal, per quintal, then how it will change? Quintal means 1 quintal is equal to 100 kg. In this case, 22 kg means 2200 and 34.50 per kg means 3450. Again, it will change price also. Price won't change of egg, only this will change. Price of egg will remain same. But I am only considering price of rice per kg. I am changing the price of rice per kg with price of rice per quintal. Means this is only I am changing. So in this case, I am just considering this is, you can do it. Although the question asked only about the IOA, it has not asked about to calculate price of rice per kg or price of rice per quintal. But take it for example, if I took price of rice per 1 quintal, then how it will change? Whether the price index simple aggregate method will change? Definitely it will change. How it will change? See. It will definitely change. Okay? Let's see. It will be price of rice per quintal. Obviously, you know 1 quintal is equal to 100 kg, right? So, I am considering 22 into 100 means 2200 and 3450 into 100 means 3450. Otherwise, everything will remain same. Price of egg per dozen remains the same, which is 31 and 45.50. 2231 and it will be 95.50. This is total. Now therefore, IO1 is equal to 2231 by 3495.50 by 22. Yes, I made a mistake in the previous also. Tn is 80 and 53. I wrote it incorrectly. So 3495.50 by 2231 into 100. Just make this, just calculate this, 156.68. Means obviously the IOA or simple aggregate method, the index changes from 150 to 156.68 if obviously the mechanism of choosing the price, rise of price in kg to quintal changes. You know this is the quintal and we all know 1 quintal is equal to 100 kgs. Okay. So in this case, if I changes the price of rice from kg to quintal, it changes and also it affects the index also. So it changes from 150.94 to 156.68. So this is basically the formula of simple aggregate method. There are also few other methods which I will be discussing: weighted aggregate method, Lasperi formula, Passe formula. Marshall, Edgeworth and Fisher's price method formula. I will discuss in my next coming classes. So better be prepared for that, and obviously I will provide you one homework regarding how to solve this. So stay tuned for my further class. Thank you for patient hearing. Have a nice day ahead. Have a nice day ahead. Thank you.